What's up, everybody? Welcome to a new video. A video series that we are going to start to also celebrate the 10-year anniversary of Labocosmetica. And with this series, we are going to dive deep into why every product was produced, or why it was created, or what was the philosophy behind this, what was the innovation. I have the luck that I already have a couple of these products that I can show you and can tell you about why they were created. Because slowly but surely we are getting used to the products that we already have. We know some of the things that we can use them for, some of the places that we can use them for, some of the dilutions that we can use them for. But sometimes it's good to go back into memory lane and think about the reason why we created these products. And today's episode is going to be about Ductile. I'm going to tell you the full story that Marco shared with me when he was creating this product. And here we go. I'm going to read this for you because it's a little bit too much for me to remember. Ductile, the philosophy behind the formula. Starting from the right question. There is a weak way to explain a product, and there is a true way. The weak way starts with, what is it? And ends in a category. Ductile is an APC. Omnia is an interior purpose cleaner. Various is a crossover. 3 labels, 3 shelf positions, 3 technical data sheets. Correct, but empty. When the same questions get asked enough times, the answers become automatic. And once an answer becomes automatic, it stops telling the soul of the product and starts only naming its function. The true way starts with, why was it created? Because behind every Labocosmetica product, there is not just a function. There is a vision, a reason, a market problem that was seen before others saw it, studied more carefully than others studied it, and solved it better than others solved it. If we only talk about dilutions and surfaces, we give information. If we explain why these products exist, we create culture. That is the difference between selling a product and explaining the technical thinking behind it. And it is the difference Labocosmetica has always tried to stand for. This is the true story of Ductile, told the true way. The observation, a market split into 2. Before Ductile existed, the international APC market was already mature. Well-established American, English, and German names had defined the category. Italian brands had not yet entered that specific technical conversation. The conversation about what an all-purpose cleaner should really be capable of. And what we observed, studying that landscape closely, was a market divided into 2 separate worlds that never spoke to each other. World 1, control built for interiors. These APCs worked well on plastics, fabrics, delicate surfaces, dashboards, and door panels. Easy wipe off, low residue, low risk of streaking. Safe products engineered for the cautious, contained environment of a car's cabin. But take them outside onto bugs, wheels, the engine bray, road grime, and the lower half of the car, and their effectiveness collapsed. They simply weren't built with enough strength for that fight. World number 2. Strength built for exteriors. These APCs were more aggressive, more heavily loaded, capable of real work on heavy dirt, bugs, wheels, and tough contamination. But that strength was never free. It came bundled with more residue, more aggression, more risk on delicate surfaces, and harder wipe-off, and real problems the moment they were brought inside of the car. 2 philosophies, 2 audiences, 2 separate product universes, and no bridge between them. The rare few who tried to build that bridge usually ended up disappointing both sides at once. Not refined enough for interiors, and not powerful enough for real exterior work. A compromise in the worst sense of the word. The vision, strength and control were never meant to be opposites. Ductile was not created because Labocosmetica needed an APC in its catalog. It was created because we recognized that the market's 2 worlds were not actually incompatible. They had simply never been reconciled by anyone with the formulation discipline to do it. The vision was precise: a single product capable of working on interiors with real control. Low residue, easy wipe off, full safety on delicate surfaces, while also delivering genuine performance on exterior applications. Not a diluted middle ground between the two worlds, a product that fully inhabited both. This is the philosophical core of Ductile, and it's worth stating plainly, because it is the standard against which everything else about the product should be measured. Ductile was not designed to be strong. It was designed to be strong without becoming destructive. Making a cleaner aggressive is not difficult. Aggression is the easy route to performance, and the market is full of products that took it. The genuinely difficult achievement is a formula that cleans powerfully while refusing to damage, refusing to corrode, refusing to leave unnecessary residue, and refusing to become a liability for the person using it. That refusal, built into the chemistry itself, is what separates formulations as craftsmanship from formulations as brute force. Tested against bugs, wheels, the engine bay, door shuts, and localized exterior dirt, Ductile reached results that many established APCs could not reach at all. And the competitors that could reach similar results often paid for it in ways their users didn't fully see. At aggressive dilutions such as 1:5 or 1:10, many exterior-oriented APCs became genuinely dangerous to sensitive exterior details, corroding black aluminum profiles, attacking aluminum grills, drying too fast on wheels, and turning careless application into real damage. Ductile achieved this cleaning strength while holding on to a level of control those competitors couldn't match. And that is not a marketing claim, that is a formulation quality, and it's the innovation at the heart of the product. The architecture, one formula engineered for two identities. The vision translates directly into how Ductile actually behaves to different dilutions. And this is where the philosophy becomes tangible, provable, and usable. At 1:20, Ductile becomes an exceptional pre-wash. Sprayed or nebulized across the car, the richness in surfactants built to work on dirt and rinse cleanly away. This is dilution at which most competitive products have already stopped contributing anything meaningful, and the few that still do leave behind more residue than they're worth, creating new problems on interiors. At 1:5, Ductile becomes something else entirely. A precise, powerful tools for wheels, bugs, the engine bay, and every stubborn localized area of exterior dirt. But with one decisive, non-negotiable difference from its aggressive competitors: it holds its discipline. It does not damage or corrode delicate parts like black aluminum profiles or aluminum grills, a risk that comes standard with many harsher APCs at the same strength. One bottled, engineered to change identity with dilution, never losing control. The innovation, correcting a limitation the whole category had accepted. This is the real point, and it's easy to miss if Ductile is filed away as just another APC. The market did not need another multi-purpose cleaner. It needed a more intelligent one. Ductile was engineered to correct a limitation the entire category had quietly accepted as normal. The assumption that strength and safety were always in tension and that you had to sacrifice one for the other. Refined enough to be used inside of the car, strong enough to work outside it. Able to clean interiors with unnecessary streaks or residue. Able to decisively be working on bugs, wheels, engine bay grime, and road contamination. Powerful, but not brutal. Technical, but not complicated. Transversal, but not generic. This combination, not any single attribute on its own, is why Ductile became as important as it is. The legacy, a product so complete, it delayed a whole category. Over time, usage patterns have narrowed the way most people see Ductile. Today, an estimated 90% of its users reach for it primarily on the interiors, where it has become a trusted certainty. But it's only half of its identity, the more visible half, not the more complete one. Ductile's potential on exterior applications remains just as real as it is today as it was at its origin. It is worth being precise here about a related product. Primus, a major reference point in the pre-wash world, should not be confused with Ductile. Primus is the great dedicated pre-wash. Ductile is something different by design, a transversal technical intervention. More localized, more precise, more controllable, built for the moments that demand both strength and safety at once. It is not a coincidence that for years, Labocosmetica had no dedicated bug remover and no classic alkaline wheel cleaner in its range. Not because the brand lacked the capability to create them, but because Ductile was already covering essential grounds across that territory. Bugs, wheels, door shuts, end of bay, lower panels, localized dirt. Ductile was already there, doing the job before the job had a separate name. Dedicated products are arriving. A specific bug remover, a specific wheel cleaner, each engineered with its own distinct identity. But their late arrival itself is part of Ductile's story. It was never a weak APC waiting to be complete elsewhere in the range. It was transversal and complete enough to make it an entire brand patient about entering categories it could already serve. The point to carry forward. Ductile should never be presented simply as our APC. It should be presented as what it actually is at its origin. The Italian answer to an international market that had not yet found the right synthesis. And the Americans had built strength. The English and Germans had built control. Labocosmetica set out to build both, strength and control, in the same product, without compromise. That is the soul of Ductile. It was never created to be a compromise. It was created to be a synthesis that was missing. If this doesn't tell you the reason why I'm working for this company, I don't think nothing will. This was the story about Ductile. In the next videos, I will cover the stories of Omnia and Varius, and then we move on to the rest of the products. Thank you guys for watching. I'll happily see you in the next one. Ciao.